Okay, so if you're somebody dealing with a lot of pain or fatigue when you're doing a traditional forward lunge in any one of your workout routines, I'm going to show you 3 different modifications you can do to make that movement easier yet incredibly effective still. Okay, because a forward lunge, it's really beneficial. It really kills those quads, but it kills those knees too. Especially if you don't have proper form or alignment and your knee goes past your toes, you can really put a lot of strain on that joint. So this is a traditional forward lunge. It can be difficult. So I'm going to show you here, the first modification is a back lunge. It's just a lot easier on the knee joint. Come down. Make sure that your body's straight, your upper body's straight, that your knee doesn't go past your toe, and then when you push off, you just push off with your toe. So it's a lot easier. So come try it. Sometimes you lose your balance though. Very good. That one's awesome. Okay, so the next modification is if you have mobility issues or just too much pain in general, you can do an isometric back lunge. So you're gonna come down here, again, check your form, make sure your torso is straight. You're gonna come down here, your shoulders are in alignment. And you're just gonna stay here as low as you can, as low as feels comfortable but challenging. Stay here, yes, I can already feel it. If you wanna make it harder, this is the kicker. Do little pulses, or stay in the stationary and just lift your front heel. Wow. Crazy, crazy challenging, but so much easier on the body. So the last one, I'm going to show you a seated modification. Again, we're working the front of the legs. So you're just going to grab a sturdy chair here. If you feel spicy, you can grab some weights. I'm going to show it to you with the weights. Your torso is tall, shoulders back, and you're just going to set those weights above the top of your knees. And you're gonna do a straight leg extension here, pointing your toe, and then just tap your toe lightly on the floor. Don't rest it on the floor because then you release the tension in the muscle. So we wanna point and tap. So it's point and tap, point and tap. So you can alternate legs, or if you wanna do both legs, sit all the way back in your chair. This one's really challenging. Point and tap. But make sure that you squeeze the quadriceps at the top. Hold for about a second. Very good. So anytime you see a forward lunge, do those modifications and you're gonna see changes in your legs in no time.